What is up guys, Danny this side. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook ads billing issue. So let's get started. So first off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Facebook or facebook.com. After that, you will be redirected to the homepage of Facebook wherein if you are new to Facebook, simply click on sign up and then sign up with your email, password and the credentials to create your new Facebook account. And if you already have a Facebook account, just simply log in with that Facebook account. Now, after signing up or logging in, on the right side, you can see this like menu icon. Click on this, and then when this page loads, click on this ad section here on the right side. After that, in the new tab, the Facebook Ads Manager will open, wherein you need to hover to the left side and then go to Billings and Payments. Now, after coming to the Billings and Payments, you need to make sure that all your due bills are paid on time because sometimes due to some due bills, the billing issue is generated or a billing issue can be faced by many users. So make sure that you have cleared and paid all your due amounts to Facebook ads. And after that, here you can see the option of add payment method. So just click on this add payment method and review your payment method that it is up to date and it has no specific bugs, but if it has some bugs, you can add a new payment gateway like your credit or debit card or like any net banking or any Google Pay, Paytm or PhonePay. You can choose anyone from these and you can update your payment gateway. So this is how you can fix your Facebook ads billing issue. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.